So here we are unboxing the brand new DJMS7. It's my blade. So I just received this earlier today from Amazon, and let's see, first time ever, brand new Pioneer DJMS7. Alright. Let's see what this should look like. Alright. Look at this. Look at this. What's in the box? Oops. Okay. Shit. Throw this shit out. Jeez. Oh. Let's dispose this Amazon box. Alright. So now, okay. Now, we just got our DJMS7. Brand new. Alright, what's in the box? Let's see. Okay, so what we got here is the manual instruction. And a Serato pitch and time. I guess that's the license key. I'm not gonna show it to you guys. This is my personal shit. And of course, another manual from Japan. Alright, this comes with AC power cord. Put that on the side. USB A to B. And then the actual unit, I guess. Let's pull this out. Oh, it's not that heavy. Oh, it's pretty heavy actually. Oh shit. Okay. Get rid of that box. Take this styrofoam insulation. Alright, now this is the reveal of the new DJMS7. This is a combination. They said it's a combination of DJS9 and S11. Oh shit. Okay, look at this. Jesus Christ. Fucking awesome. Whoa. Nice, man. I'm gonna use this along with my what do you call this? My PLX 1000 here, and another PLX 1000 here. There's another PLX 1000 there too. Look at this. This is not bad. Whoa. Feels weird here. There we go. I think it's pushed all the way in. It's not bad. Feels pretty okay, I guess. I like the Magvel Fader Pro, and there's an adjustment. Not bad. Got the paddle here. Got the highs, mids, lows, filter and trim. I heard they were awesome. I thought that's an LED. Huh. First time having a battle mixer like this. Let's check up on the inputs and outputs here. So I got channel 1 funnel and line. Channel 1, channel 2 same thing. We got a 3-pin XLR plus the 1/4 inch microphone input. We got auxiliary. We got A and B USB. The booth is 1/4 inch. Master is 3-pin XLR. And what's this? What does it say? Master RCA. I guess we're using RCA. That's how I have set up here in my studio. Not bad. Oh gee, can't wait to power this shit up. Can't look. Oh, this feels awesome. It feels awesome. It's better than my fucking DJ1000 one. It's like there's powder in it. Nice. It has its individual button for the hot cues, rolls, save loop, and sampler. Includes pitch play, splicer loop, save flip, and scratch bank. Can't wait to use that. Oh, feels good. I hope I'm not gonna damage this by doing a lot of scratch. Well, I guess it's gonna be awesome and perfect. Along with my shit, not this one. I got my PLX there. So I got my PLX 1000 down here. Really, look at that. Another one here. PLX 1000. I got an Orthophon head shell and a cartridge and stylus and shit. Got two of them. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys later after I set this shit up and everything. Show you guys how it is. Alright, finito. Bye for now, guys.